talk about the tragic end of the V8s. So a lot of manufacturers are getting rid of the V8s, and that includes Maserati. So I believe this year is the last year with a V8, and I think that's pretty sad. So the whole Fiat umbrella, so Chrysler, Dodge, so because they're all owned by the same branch, so all those manufacturers getting rid of the V8s. I also read that Lexus is getting rid of the V8s, so they're 5.0 naturally aspirated. I really like that car. Nissan, they're also getting rid of the V8s, and we also have a lot of manufacturers downsizing too. And one of the ones is the Lamborghini. The Huracan currently has a V10. Their successor will have a V8 twin turbo. So it's really sad to see the V8s go away. One of my favorite things about this Maserati here, it's a Gran Turismo, is the naturally aspirated V8. And to me, the sound just adds to the driving emotion. So I've had a chance to ride the brand new one, the 2024 Gran Turismo. That one has a twin turbo V6. It was a fast car, but to me it just didn't feel like it had the same emotion as this one. So what do you guys think about all this downsizing? And do you guys feel like the sound definitely adds to the driving emotion? So like especially on the Gran Turismo, I had the chance to ride on the brand new one, the 2024, and that car was pretty fast, a lot faster than my 2014 Gran Turismo. I definitely like what they did with the exterior, the interior, great looking car. And but yeah, I just couldn't help but keep thinking of the sound. So it definitely made me, I feel like if I were to get a car like that, it made me feel I would miss the sound for sure. And those cars have depreciated quite greatly in the last couple of months. I've seen discounts of $50,000 compared to the MSRP. So it seems like they're depreciating pretty quick. But I don't know, if they depreciate as massively as this car, then yeah, maybe one day I'll get one after this one gets older and more mileage and stuff. But I don't know, for the time being I plan to keep this car. It's still a great looking car, sounds great, and I mean it's not a very fast car, but it's not a slow car either. So unfortunately it's just the way it is with the emissions regulations and the efficiency having to get better, so manufacturers have no choice but to get rid of the V8s or just downsize, make them hybrid, all that kind of stuff. So I feel like the era of especially naturally aspirated, it's gone. I believe soon it'll be just Ford and Chevrolet as far as a naturally aspirated V8, which is another reason why I have a deposit on the brand new C06, because there's nothing else like it anymore. Naturally aspirated V8 mid-engine car. So hopefully in a couple months I should be able to get that car pretty. So hopefully I get that C06 in a couple months. So that's a car that I've been on the wait list for 3 years now. So I'm pretty excited about that.